Yo, what's up everybody, this is Nomad. Today I'll be opening up Pokemon Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse Elite Trainer box. I bought this at Impulse Gaming, so you can go check the company's online website to buy Pokemon cards and gaming stuff like Nintendo Switch. So yeah, shout out goes to Zor from Zero Gem on the previous video. Go to the link down in the description below to see Zero Gem's channel and our latest video. Alright, in Zero Gem's latest video, me and my gear open Pokemon Korean packs, some Pokemon Korean packs. So, yep, comment down below to get a shout out at the next video. Okay, this is the cover. Right, this is the behind, back of it. Right, inside the cover, Blastoise and Piplup. Wow, oh wow, Arceus, Dialga, Palkia. Right, I hope I pulled Arceus, Palkia, and Dialga GX card. Alright, oh, it looks so good. Right. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, this is the place guide. So cards inside. Look at that, golden cards. Imagine if I pulled one of these rainbow cards, GX. Right, I hope I pulled some. I can pull something good. Wow, look at this. How do you take this out? Oh, that's very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, this is the GX thing that I'm gonna use. When you use it when you want to play Pokemon cards. Alright. The sleeves. Well, okay, alright. This is what I want to check out. Alright, I want to check the sleeves. How does it feel like? Ah, it's very nice. Wow. Quality of it. Wow, you feel that? Wow, alright. Let's put it back in there. Voila. Done. Right, there's a code here, but I want that code. Right, you get the dividers. Wow, 1 2 3 4. Nice. Right, next we get the energy. Right, there are 45 energy cards. Right, what do we have? The dice. Yep, the quality of the dice. The dice, alright, I like the dice. Right, look at this big one. Small, right. Right, to the packs. We have 8 packs to open up. Right. Close it back here. Voila. And let's open up the first pack. Right, Solgaleo and Lunala. So open it up, boys. Right, I hope I will pull something good from this pack. Done. Right. Oh no, okay, it's alright. 1 2 3 4 in front. So we got a metal and normal. Forgot we got an energy. We got a Celio. We got a draw energy. Ooh, Cosmo, nice. A Chinchou, Cosmog, alright. Pancham, Drillbur, Tangela, Jolteon, and Fion. That's very nice. Right, let's put it here. Right, let's go to the next pack. It's the cute gang. Right. Oh no, we saw something. Sorry guys. So for this card is very nice. We got a electric energy, Tropius, Togedemaru, Absol, Naru, Palpitoad, Jagmo, Deerling, Golett, Sneasel, and another Fion. Yo, what is happening? Right, okay, what is happening, guys? Why do I keep getting Fion? Right, next one. This scissors. Here it is. Cut it. Take it out slowly. I hope I don't make any mistake. Right, just take it out. Oh no, not again. Alright, sorry. Put the code here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put it in the front. We got an energy. Herdier, dog. Tangrowth, Printpoop, Jangmo, another one. Rowlet, nice. Sclub, Pikachu, Teddiursa, Drillbur, and Zatu. Right, there. Just keep the cards here. Next one. Alright, I hope I will pull something good from here. Alright. Correct, yeah, I'm supposed to do it like this. Alright, that is correct. Right. Put the code here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Ursaring. Wait. I think I did a card trick wrong. It's okay. Ursaring, Fire Energy, Tech Call, Delmice, ooh, Chaotic Swell, Teddiursa, Nose Pass, Litleo, Flabébé, Seafield, and a Seismitoad. Right, I did a card trick wrong. Sorry. Okay, alright, it's alright. Next one, voila. Right. Oh no. Oh man, alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Put it in the front. Okay, we did it right. We got a green energy. Guzman Hala Tech Team. Wow, it's very nice. Floyd, Roxy, Sneasel, Seafield, Alolan Meowth, Ralts, Pessimian, Black Curum, and finally Magnetone. Oh, wow, is that good? I don't know. I think that's good. Black Curum, right? We got. Alright, next one. Please give me a GX. I need a GX. I hope I get a GX. Oh, did I cut the cards? Almost. Right. Pack. It's really tight. Oh, got train code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct? Yes. Put it in the front. The rock energy, fighting energy. Oh, why am I keep doing it wrong? Flight, Zekzus, Vaporeon, Pessimian, Jangmo, Rowlet, Sclub, Pikachu, Good Luck, and ooh, we got a Venusaur and Snivy GX. Look at it. Shining Vine, so, Forest Dump. Alright. Look at that. It's a tag team card. Put it there. Right. Right. Oh my god. Why does this card keep falling? Alright, it's okay. We're just gonna put it there. Alright. Alright. Second final pack. Oh, I did it wrong. Alright, trainer code here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in the front. We got a Fire Energy, Lana's Fishing Rod, Vaporeon, Absol, Magnemite, Eevee, Flabébé, Sneasel, Naru, Golok, and ooh! Oh my god! No way! No way! We just pulled another GX. We pulled a tag team Reshiram and Zekrom. Oh, I really like this one. Look at the train in there. Yo. Oh man. Alright, the final pack. Alright, what will we get in this pack? I hope you get something good. Alright, I think we're supposed to take it out like this. Alright, let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in the front. Right, we got a Fighting Energy, Rotom, Type Null. Yes, I already. Oh, it's a Type Null. Heracross, Rufflet, Orish, Ralts, Sandygast, Seafield, Mimikyu, and finally, boom, a Drampa. No, so it's not a Grandpa, it's a Drampa. Right. We just pulled that. Oh, alright. So from this Elite Trainer box, we got a Reshiram and Zekrom tag team card, Venusaur and Snivy tag team card. Wow, this is really good. Right, where's the instruction? Alright, it's over here. I'm going to look at the place card. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, where is it? Did they say grass? Alright, I found it. Look at it. Oh, there's an app. So, right. Index, right. Please make sure to leave a like in this video, press that bell notification bell to know to get a notification when I post a new video. Voila. Right, comment down below what video should I make next to get a shout out in the next video. So don't forget to check out Gyro Jam in the link description. Check out Impulse Gaming Store, or you can also go to the internet and search the store and the company. So bye.